Okay, so welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, episode 3. Let's go! Come on, let's go there. What are you doing here? Get the fuck out of here. You son of a bitch. Give me that. Let's go there. You fucker. Get the fuck out. No. Got it. No. Son of a bitch. No. No, 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 no. I said no. You. The fuck are you doing here? Holy shit. Get the fuck out. Give me that. No. Scumbags, get the fuck out of here. No. Really, man? I was about to jump. Fuckers. Where are you? Get pixelized, you bitch.
Now to lower the bridge.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Thank you, Rivet. You just finished knocking down your hideout when those troublemakers showed up. Don't ya worry about your hideout. No, everything's just like you left it. I'm done!
Come on, bridge. Seriously?
No. I see. There's a nest.
There has to be
And we
another
can
way
go.
across.
We can go fast there.
I may
Or
regret
this guy.
suggesting this, but what
Could be
about
this
the
guy.
speeder?
What about it? Let's go! Almost home. And there's another Grunthor in the way.
I do regret this.
Come on. We both know how this
Get
is gonna end,
pixelized.
guys.
Holy shit. How many of you here? Holy shit. No. Give me shotgun. No. Get the fuck out of here. Really, I'm dead?
And there's another Grunthor
The
in
fuck
the way.
was it?
I do regret this.
The fuck was that loading? No!
We both know how this is gonna end, big guy.
Get the fuck out of here. Holy shit, we got triple. Triple shoot now. What the hell? No! Let me go! And he's dead. Nice. Get the fuck out.
Woo! Now for my final
Give me these
enemy,
things.
Mortz's pressure locks.
It appears that these locks must be hit quickly.
Yep, Morts are funny like that.
It appears
No.
that these locks must be hit quickly.
Yep, Morts are funny like
The
that.
fuck? Give me that. I want it. Thank you. Okay. Should I go here?
Excellent. Fine.
Yes, give me that. Nice. The fuck are you doing here? Get the fuck out. Nice job. Let's go. No. Okay, let's activate it. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Time to find out the truth about you.
If only I could talk with Ratchet.
Home sweet home.
Okay, what do we got
Why
here?
are you so hesitant to trust me?
Look, robots aren't really my thing. Especially when they're tearing my galaxy apart.
I am not. I was trying to help Ratchet find the other Lombaxes.
We'll see the truth soon enough. Once I scan you and the infobot I found in Nefarious City.
Okay, what's here?
Safe for now.
This is extremely unnecessary.
Lombax. Okay. So, you were being honest.
As I have been saying, repeatedly,
You're nefarious. He looks a lot like mine. Evil like him, too. And that Lombax. I know it might sound crazy, but
you think he is your dimensional counterpart.
or something. Look, whatever's going on here, we're gonna fix it.
I thought robots are not your thing.
Not all of them, just most. You know, like the Emperor, his stupid followers, pirates. Yeah, I see the irony too.
Oh, I apologize. I did not mean to,
You feel bad? Even though I just watched your brain diary thingy?
Missing infobot located. Initiating retrieval.
No, dear, no.
No.
amphibious
Fucking go.
explosives to neutralize hostile furball.
Hang in there, Bolts! I'm coming! That Seeker-Pete's flight stabilizer
No.
should be on its back. If I can get up there and hit it, I can bring the whole thing down.
Here. Jump on him. Nice.
Gotta hit the flight stabilizer.
Holy
You
shit.
must be so excited for annihilation.
Oh my god.
The Emperor's got some weak skin,
Give me mushrooms here.
but that's all you got.
They will help me. Let's go. No.
Back my robot.
Backup power has almost restored the flight stabilizer. How delightful!
You fucker.
No, you're not getting away from me.
Little Lombax.
Die already. Come on.
Time to change tactics. Deploying amphibious explosives.
Throw whatever you want.
Go.
You're not getting away from me. Gotta say Bolts.
One, two, three. Let's go. Triple kill. No. Let me ride you. Yeah, we got it.
Destruction is most definitely assured now.
Take it. Let's go.
Bring it.
You fucker. Die. The fuck was that?
Why don't you let me drive that thing?
Give me that again. One. Okay. Let's try this gun. Holy shit.
It's not polite to cheat death, little Lombax.
Die. No, wait. What the fuck? What the fuck was it? No. We got a tree.
Find my man.
Get big slice. Holy shit, you can. Oh my god, die already. Nice.
This is unfortunate.
You okay, Bolts?
You came after me. Thank you.
Yeah, well, we've still got some unfinished business.
We got him.
We should see if Mort fixed up the ship.
Let's go.
By the way, how about I hook you up with the signal booster to fix that communicator of yours?
So that would be delightful.
Not as thrilling as what we're gonna find in this infobot, but it'll be close.
Rivet!
Ready to go?
Absolutely.
Not since those fireworks at Mort's school.
How's it floating, Maynard?
They didn't last more than 5 hours. True. Would have put a couple days that
Do hate to see you go, sugar.
Okay, let's go.
What does it say?
Phantom, Moidoi, Captain Quantum, Klatchki. Me. Attention, Resistance. I'm posting the Emperor's hit list to our network. Come on, let's fix that communicator. We've got a dimension to save before the Emperor finds us too.
Okay. Let's go here.
Let's do this. What's on your mind? Come on, let's hear it.
I am feeling a bit responsible for all of this. Perhaps it is because of me that the dimensions are falling apart, that Ratchet and I are lost.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, your communicator's about to get fixed, so that's something.
Right.
So, this is Zerky's Gastropub and Battleplex. If there's anywhere in the universe
is
we'll
so
find a part
pretty,
that picks
man.
you up, it's here.
I hope you are right. The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of dimensional cataclysm. If I cannot find Ratchet,
Don't worry, Bolts. I'll get you fixed up. Promise.
Okay, let's go. What do we got here? No. Holy shit, I forgot. Okay, let's do it again. No, I don't want it. Let's go back.
Mort's limeade recipe's slowly coming along.
Wanna make your enemies go bzzz? Grab the lightning rod.
Nope. Let's go. Give me that. Nice. What do we got here?
Welcome to Zerky's, your newly intradimensional gastropub and battleplex. I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
Think I'd be used to that by now.
Thanks for coming to Zerky. Responder with a smile.
Zerky's usually behind the bar. He'll know where to find the pirate with the spare parts.
Okay. Nice. I like that.
Can we go talk to Zerky? The sooner we fix my communicator, the better. No. Oh.
Namaste, and peace be with you, Rivet.
Hey, Zerky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well. We meet again, my wee chérie.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Lafer. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Zerky's is a violent spree zone. Taken outside.
I am more lover than fighter. For you, I will always make an exception.
Ready to kick some robo-butt?
I have many issues with that question. But why not? Where do we sign up to battle?
There's a console on that big wall of windows over there. It's cool. I'll show you.
Welcome, my beings, to Zircon Jr.'s Slaughterplex! Are you ready to witness the excitement, the pain, the carnage? Tonight,
Okay, what do we do? What do we do now? Fucking waves. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Won't you fucking do it?
Oh dear. Why must every dimension have a dangerous battle arena?
Fight you both myself! But first, you must prove you're worthy!
Get the fuck out of here.
The pirates are coming through rifts.
Gotta admire them for always finding new ways to cheat.
Ah, yes! Telling Susie! Dropping some space time! A true pirate signature!
Get the fuck out of here. You bastard. No. No, I don't have ammo. Okay. Get the fuck out.
Embarrassing! If I were fighting, we would have won by now!
What the fuck do you want? Try this bomb. You will never catch me alive. Bitches. No. Nice. Fucking nice, man. Okay. Let's go. Get the fuck out of here. No, what the fuck are you doing?
I'll flog you for that!
No. What the fuck are you doing here? No. Fuckers. Holy shit, what is this gun? Really? Oh my god. We got a winner. No.
Oh! Il! Sacré bleu! Oh! I have sprained my ankle! Ah! But have no fear. My less attractive stunt double will battle in my stead. François?
Holy shit. Really? Oh my god. Oh my god, really?
Francois seems
Take this.
Surprised that Pierre is running from a fight. Doesn't matter. I'm getting that signal booster. Looks like you're gonna need a new partner, Pierre.
No. Okay. You fuckers, come back. Get off. Get the fuck out of here. Take these fuckers with you. No. No. I said fucking no.
Ammo's down.
Really? Fucker, die. Die already. Come back. Nice. We got him.
What to the who now? Rivet emerges victorious from the ravages of battle. Cheer, fiends! Cheer!
A defeat? But how? Eventually and dramatically, I will get my revenge. But here, take your part.
ooh.
Eureka! She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Clank,
Are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lombax take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I am with the Lombax now.
Hey, I'm Rivet.
What? Hi. Wow, this is...
Oh, wait, okay. I have to tell you something. Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with my own Nefarious.
That's the thing.
We've got to get him and us out of here, but...
Without the Dimensionator...
I think we have to build a new one. I met a prophet from Savali named Gary. He would know what to do.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out.
What can we do?
Do you have the planet Blizar Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
We can locate the phase quartz used to power the Dimensionator there. If I am right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
I guess we better get started then. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
You too, Ratchet.
Be careful
out there.
Wow. Another Lombax.
Nice.
Let's build this thing.
Okay, so let's end this episode here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.